You must be familiar with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot, and many other LLMs, and the world of agentic AI. But this video is going to take things a step further. Today, we will not just talk about agents, we are going to build one. And not just any agent, we will create an AI agent that can actually interact with Jira. Jira is one of the most widely used project management tool, especially in agile environment. Imagine having an AI agent that can help you with your Jira tasks, creating tickets, updating statuses, pulling reports, and much more. For product managers and project managers, that means a significant boost in efficiency and productivity. Hi, my name is Sandeep. Let's deep dive into agentic AI. Before that, let's understand the LLM concept. If you are already familiar with AI agent and LLM concept, you may want to skip this section. Let's understand what is an AI agent. ChatGPT or any LLM models comprises with two components, chat and GPT. Chat is simply like any other chat application we know. The GPT part is the LLM, the large language model. So, how ChatGPT works? When you ask some questions to ChatGPT, it sends the request to LLM, and LLM generates the response and sends it back to user interface where it display the results. Now, let's say you are developing an application called Jira GPT Assistant similar to ChatGPT, and suppose you are asking details about backlog or something like how many user stories are completed or in progress, then you need something magical that can interact with your Jira board and retrieve all the details. Not only that, it will execute the action that you will command. This magical something is called AI agent, which will understand your request and do as you say based on your preferences provided. LLM can generate response in the form of text, image, or video, but they don't take action. While an AI agent will take action and it will interact with other application as well. Let's go to ChatGPT. In the left side navigation pane, click on Explorer. You will see that there are hundreds of GPTs already available for use. There are productivity related GPTs, education related DAL-E, where you can create your uh, logos or any other images, but we are going to create our own GPTs like this that we can use for interacting with Jira. So click on create on the top right corner and we'll see that there is create and configure option came. We can directly configure also, but let's create with the help of ChatGPT itself. So here I have given a command. I would like to make a GPT which can interact with Jira board and write user stories, create subtasks like a Scrum product manager. So it has come up with a description of whatever I have given. Apart from that, it has suggested whether you want to choose a name of your GPT or the AI agent that you are creating. Let's go with the Scrum product manager as it is suggested by the GPT itself. You can choose your own name, but as of now, for the convenience, I'm going with the Scrum Product Manager name. Now it is generating a profile picture. You can upload your own profile picture as well and attach it, but let's go with the its profile picture, whatever it is suggested. In the configuration, in the configuration section, you have to update your own instruction. So I have already written the instruction how to write user stories, how to estimate the stories, whether the acceptance criteria will be in given when then format or any other format you want, how to estimate the subtask. All these instruction I have written. You can write your own instruction or the format that you want it to generate the user stories, then copy that instruction and paste in the instruction field. All right, I have pasted all the detailed instructions in the instruction field. You can update the description as well. Scroll down and below you will see a knowledge section where you can upload files. So you must upload the requirement document or any other meeting recording or any other file where the requirements are discussed, so that when you ask to create the user stories, it will go through those files and generate the user stories as required. Now let's go to add actions. This is very important to authenticate ChatGPT to access Jira. So there is an authentication section and there is a schema. Click on authentication. You will see that we can authenticate using API key. To generate API key, go to Jira account setting, and in the account setting under security, you will find an option called API token. When you will click to generate API token, you need to enter one OTP that will be sent to your email ID that is given in Jira. Go to that email ID, copy that OTP, and now you will be able to access the API token. Create API token. There is one option, create with scopes as well, where you can give the read and write access exclusively, but I'm going with read only access. So give any name. Let's say I'm giving some name here. That is my API token name. I'm giving a GPT integration, and let's create that. You can change the date as well when this token will expire. Up maximum 1 year you can give. So for the demo purpose, I am just keeping the same date as it is. Click on create, and your API token is generated. This API token you need to copy and keep it safe, because once you close this screen, you will not be able to find this API token again. So you must save this token safely in any of your notepad. I copied that token. Now my API token is generated. I can use the same API token in GPT configuration. Here there is option here there is option to revoke the token anytime. If you want, you can click on revoke and your API token will be revoked. Now you need to convert that token into base 64 format. There are different tools available to convert that token into base 64. I have converted that into base 64 and then copied that API token and pasted it here. Now click on save. Now your API token is saved. Now let's create a schema, and that schema we can copy it here. To generate schema, I have already generated one schema. You can write your own in JSON or YAML, or you can take the help of ChatGPT itself to generate the schema for your requirement. It will generate. Now let's test our GPT whether it is configured properly. I have clicked on test, and it is able to access the Jira board. So our GPT is configured now, and we can interact with our Jira board. I can save this and I can share with our colleagues or within your organization or anyone with the link. You can share this GPT, and whoever you will share, they will be able to use the GPT using this link. Now, our GPT is published now. Let's go to our agent and let's see what we can ask from our agent. All right. So this is our Scrum Product Manager AI agent is already created now. Now let's ask a few questions here and see whether our agent is able to answer and get the information from Jira. Let's try to generate one user story to see whether it is following the same instruction as we have given. So trying to generate one generic logout functionality, and let's see, it has generated the user stories, the acceptance criteria in the given when then format that I have instructed. It has created the subtask as well for developers, for QA, and optionally for DevOps as well. And also it has estimated the subtask as well. This is very good, as I have instructed. Also, it has given the story point estimation for the user story, and the subtasks are estimated in hours. This is what I have given the instruction. So this is coming as expected. Now let's try to generate another user story for forgot password functionality. I have not given any requirement document. I have not attached any requirement discussion notes or anything. So it will generate its generic uh, user story. Just wanted to see the whether it is coming in the correct format as we have instructed. Let's see, it has generated the stories, it has created the subtask as well. Acceptance criteria are in given when then format, subtasks are estimated. It has estimated the user story as well. And looks like a correct estimation has been given. Even the optional subtasks are also estimated. Now in the next section, let's try to access some information from Jira. I have asked whether how many stories are in progress, so it has given the correct number. Now let's ask another questions. How many stories are in ready for development state? I just need the count. It has given the 96 stories. It is the correct number as per my Jira board. So which sprint is in progress now? Let's see whether it is giving the correct information. And yes, these two sprints, these are the demo sprints I have created, and these are in progress. I have not closed any of the sprint right now. So it is giving the correct information as expected from the Jira. Just checking whether we are in the correct board or not. So we are in the right board. Let's check few more information and see the estimation related questions, whether it is able to answer it quickly. Yes, it has given that how many stories are estimated in development state. One story is estimated. Two stories are not estimated yet. Now let's ask the AI agent to estimate the remaining stories, and let's see whether it is giving the proper estimation. All right, it has estimated the remaining two stories as well, and we have got the estimation for all our in development stories. So we have seen that it is able to retrieve all the information from Jira board correctly, and it is able to provide all the answer that we are asking from the Jira board. Here, I am leaving one task for you. I have not created any user story directly into the Jira board. So it is your task to create the user story directly into the Jira board with the help of AI agent that we have just created. If you are able to do so, please comment in the comment box. You can record your video and send it to me. I will publish your video in my next video. Also, if you need any help on creating stories directly into the Jira, let me know. I will help you out to do so. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified in my next video.